Hi, Illugi here from Sterna.is, your expert in Dynamics 365 and Power Platform. Today, I want to show you a way to integrate your website to Dynamics using a tool called Parserr. I have already showed you how you can integrate your website with Microsoft Forms, but this time we will be using a standard web form on WordPress. In this video, I'm going to show you Parserr and how it's configured and how to connect it with your website. Parserr is a parsing tool that allows you to extract content from emails and parse information from the email body into variables or fields. WordPress is used for our form. Dynamics CRM is used to store the leads. Power Automate is used to integrate your form to Dynamics 365 sales facilitated by a connector from Parserr. Power Up for Dynamics 365 is a Chrome extension to help system admins access critical information in Dynamics. We're following the information on the blog post itself. So we start out by going to Parserr's website, fill out our information. Once we filled out the information and accepted the terms of service and privacy policy, we hit register. I can just log in here with the credentials I created. First, we're going to create the inbox, etc. So let's just hit great. Let's get started. What we're going to do now is we're going to copy this email address. We're going to edit our form. And we're going to add that email address. As you can see here, I have defined to be sent to my personal email address and then also this email address from Parserr. So once we've updated that, and notice here I'm using first name, last name here instead of just the name because Dynamics is going to retrieve that information in two separate fields. So click update here, and then we'll just preview that. And now, as you can see, it's waiting for our email to be sent. In this case, it's going to be a form submission. But okay, and then we hit submit. And it has been sent. And now you can see that the system has received the email, so we can start out creating some rules. So let's hit this let's create some rules button. And this is going to take us to the form where we have to answer some questions here. I'm just going to quickly fill this out. And Microsoft Flow is our integration tool. And which third-party application we're using, that's Microsoft Dynamics. And we click finish when we've just answered those questions. So in the final step, we will see the rules that have been automatically created from our form submission. As we can see, we have the first name, last name, email, website, message, time. So this is the last three fields are basically just some information sent by WordPress automatically. Can't really control this information here. Probably we won't need them. Anyway, so as you can see, I have all the information necessary to complete this step here, and by clicking on yes, create the rules, we have those rules, and it's pretty much up and running. So we can see if we click on incoming emails, we should see the email that we just sent, and it has been parsed, and it is success. Great.